Welcome to Troy Diamond Reports, Gold and Currency Report. In the new global economy of the 21st century, it's more important than ever before to have a resource one can go to for a proper perspective on the real values of fiat currencies and gold. The Gold and Currency Report provides such a resource. Updated monthly in an easy-to-use format, one can monitor the current worth of most currencies and gold following their change in value since 1999. Upon watching the US dollar's continued loss of value after 9/11 relative to both the euro and gold, the dollar lost almost half its worth, which was created by increased deficit spending and the loosening of credit. Troy Diamond Reports debuted in September of 2007 to provide the first global pricing guide for diamonds, unpegged from the US dollar. Troy's Gold and Currency Report followed in April of 2009. The US dollar and all major currencies have been floated since the Nixon shock, a series of economic measures taken by US President Richard Nixon in 1971, unilaterally cancelling the direct convertibility of the US dollar to gold and essentially ending the existing Bretton Woods system of international financial exchange amongst foreign currencies. Monetary policy and supply shifted, functioning to money as debt alone. Many real assets, especially gold, precious metals, diamonds and fine gemstones, possess intrinsic values with stable utility over time, independent of any single currency. Historically, gold has proven to hold utility and to be a stable store of value, while currencies devalue continuously and fluctuate in their utility over even short periods of time. For example, 1 troy ounce of gold could clothe a person nicely 100 years ago, which is still true today. As an actively traded commodity in numerous currencies, gold will be unchanged in one currency, while increasing in price in another currency, and decreasing in yet another. However, gold's real or intrinsic value has not changed. What has changed is the currency, showing either stability or a devaluation, inflation, or an increase in value, deflation. Therefore, to follow gold's true trend over time, one needs to follow gold's worth in a reference to a weighted basket of currencies. When gold increases or decreases in reference to the basket, it is a true reflection of gold's intrinsic value. The basket of currencies selected and used by Troy's Gold and Currency Report to measure and monitor real values is the International Monetary Fund's Special Drawing Rights and Reserve Asset. Its value is based on a basket of key international currencies. The currencies included in the SDR presently are defined to be the 4 currencies issued by fund members, whose exports of goods and services during the 5-year period had the largest value and which have been determined by the fund to be freely usable currencies. The most recent review became effective January 1, 2006, assigning the following weights: 44% to the US dollar, 34% to the European Union euro, 11% to the British pound, and 11% to the Japanese yen. Trends are graphically mapped in reference to the SDR. When the value of either a currency or gold are gaining or losing strength to this solid unit of measure, they are changing in a real sense. Gold's daily pricing and annual moving average are graphically mapped in addition to gold's annual percentage change. Currency trends are graphed in both long and short-term perspectives to provide more insight into each currency's past, present, and future values. Some currencies will mirror each other's trends, for example the US dollar and the euro. Typically when one gains in strength, the other loses in strength. As currencies are traded, creating a move to or from one currency pool into other pools, the Troy currency graph with the greatest slope, stated in SDR, will reveal which currency is gaining or losing value in real terms and at the fastest rate. Troy Gold and Currency Report currently monitors monthly gold and 12 currencies in real value. No subscription is required. You can purchase your current month's report for as little as $9.95. Troy Gold and Currency Report, your new resource for today's global economy.